What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. This is the 10-inch, silver and black, and let's unbox this. I actually got this at Target for $159 plus tax, so under $200. And yeah, let me move this out the way. And looks like we have the tablet right here. Put that to the side. Get the charger. Your user manual. Oops. SIM card tray. Not SIM card tray. SIM card. Your booklets. That's pretty much it. Now we have the tablet right here. I think it's a pull tab. There's like a tab right here. I don't know if you pull this forward or back. Let me figure that out right now. So what I'm actually gonna do is rip it like that. So this is the tablet. Really nice. Really nice. And it looks really clean. We're gonna power it on real quick. If you guys do want a full review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, let me know down below. This is just a quick unboxing, but let me get the device fully turned on before I end the video. Feels really nice in the hands. And it's extremely thin. I do need to get a case for this. And looks like we do get Type-C. 2 speaker grills. Nothing right here. A headphone jack, the mic. You get your camera, power button, volume up and down. The SIM card tray, and then the stuff I said earlier. Yeah, it's really nice. Wow, this tablet is nice. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do want a review, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.